On July 3rd, thousands of people paint rocks with kind messages and hide them in public for strangers to find, while thousands of others go looking. International Drop a Rock Day is July 3. The holiday emerged from the painted rock movement, a kindness tradition that spread globally through social media in the mid-2010s. Communities formed rock hiding groups, where participants post photos of what they found and where they left new ones. The rocks carry messages, images, or color. The mechanics are simple. Any smooth rock, any paint, any public place, and then you let it go. The finder keeps it, rehides it, or posts the location online for the next finder. What would you write on a rock for a stranger? Paint one today. Leave it somewhere someone might need it, a hospital parking lot, a park bench, a bus stop. You will never know who finds it, and that is entirely the point. Share this with the most creative person you know and challenge them to make one worth finding.